Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna be using the all neutral Biba palette by Natasha Denona, and I'm only gonna use 4 eyeshadows, but you can see that it's a simple look. It's a smudge liner and it's a diffuse black liner, but it's done with eyeshadow, which makes it easier. On this look, you will see me already wearing mascara and a little bit of a smudge liner because I had to film all three last looks for these 5 days before Thanksgiving today. So just forgive that, but just take into account that black liner will smudge by itself, and I didn't want to remove all my makeup. But you will see how easy it is to accomplish, and you will see that you can accomplish it while doing just the steps that I showed you, and the only step that I didn't show you was with the liner, and I explained it. So before we go, this video is a collab with my friend Tash from Too Much Tash, and we're doing 5 looks each for Thanksgiving, 5 days before Thanksgiving. And the first one was a long wearing foundation. So I didn't show you my foundation on this video. If you want to see my foundation, it's the first video for this look. I'm gonna leave Tash's video below, just Tash's channel below, so that you can see her videos. And that's it, you guys. Don't forget to check out the other 2 looks that I did before this one, and stay tuned for tomorrow's look if you want to see these black smoky sexy look with a natural lip. Then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna do a simple liner look, and I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that I was removing my eye makeup, but I have leftover mascara and leftover black liner, and that's gonna work for me. But it's something that I could do from scratch. It's just that, as I told you guys on my last video, I lost all of my footage for these videos, and now I have to post them today, tomorrow, and the next day. So I'm gonna film them all today to edit them and have them up on time for this collab. I already have my eyes primed with the Full Cover by Makeup Forever, which is the concealer that I'm trying to use up this year. And now I'm gonna go in with my Biba palette. And the shade that I'm gonna go in, it's gonna be Freckle, which is this shade right here. And that I'm gonna use as a transition, but it's gonna be precise transition. I'm not gonna go crazy with it because I want to just create a liner look. I don't want anything to be disrupting the liner, and I want this to be a matte look except for the inner corner. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC 217 and lightly apply that to enhance my crease. So now using the 252 by MAC and the concealer, I'm gonna just do a semi-cut crease, and that I'm gonna just set with a light color. Now using the Morphe M421, and I'm sorry that my mirror shows here, but that's the only way that I can actually film this close-up. I'm gonna go in with Buff, which is this shade right here. It's a lightish yellow shade. Now I'm gonna go in with Spot, which is the black on the palette, and the Morphe M508. And I'm going to line my lash line. I know I already have as much liner, but I'm gonna just enhance that because I want the liner to be truly black. Now I'm going to show you how I did this liner look right here. So you can see that I blended this line upwards as a diagonal, and then it looks like a smudged out triangular liner. So that I did with the Morphe M213 clean. I didn't add anything to it, and I started to blend it upwards. And now what I'm gonna do to finish is grab a little bit of that black and smoke my lower lash line, topping off the excess and start smoking it and connecting it to the outer part. And now I'm gonna go in with Freckle, which was my transition, and I'm gonna blend it with the black. Just a little bit. And I'm using the same brush. Now I'm gonna clean that brush, and to finish the look, I'm gonna go in with Monroe, which is this shade right here. And that's the only shimmery shade that I'm gonna use on my inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in and apply mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the step that I didn't show you was the Sephora eyeliner in black, and these I use on my inner rim. And then for mascara, I use the Lancome de Finicils and the Voluminous Primer by L'Oreal. And then for this look, I would leave my lips looking bare or pinkish. So I'm gonna go in with the Dior Matte Lip Glow in the shade Pink. Then a little bit of the Fenty Glow lip gloss. And that would be the finished look. I'm in love with this look, and this is way more me than the last look that I did, the look that I did yesterday. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. This has been my favorite look so far, and it's the most simple look. So I used the Biba palette and you guys were requesting it. Don't forget to request the palette that you want to see below. Also, as an emoji, if you watch the entire video, leave any black emoji because Spot was the start of the show, and leave a black emoji on Natasha's channel if you watch her video as well. Don't forget to go there, subscribe here as well, and if you come from Natasha's channel, then welcome. And that's it, you guys. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.